And now, let us hear a message from our Regional Director, Fire Chief Superintendent Romel C. Chadusser.
To my Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Senior Superintendent Alan Cabot, my Chief of Staff, Senior Superintendent Abre, and my Chief Logistics, Superintendent Lorono, other commission officers, non-commission officers, non-uniform personnel, good morning. First of all, I would like to congratulate everybody for the successful conduct of the Regional Fire Olympics, the first ultimate firefighting sport. So, nagiging successful to because of the cooperation of everybody. So, without your cooperation, ay maaring magkaguli ang atong event. So, some did not expect na ganoon kalaki yung event because alam ko na nasanay tayo sa Fire Olympics na isa kadlaw. But this is the first na we make it in 3 days. And also the convergence, the emergency response convergence. Emergency preparedness and response convergence, which is an international in nature because of our two speakers from Singapore and Brunei. So also congratulations to the in charge that made it possible na magiging successful with the attendance of 340 plus. Okay. So, and overall, ang atong Regional Paralympics ay naging successful with the full participation also of the DREAMOS, CIFAG, and industrial sector, and as well as yung ating mga personnel. So, thank you very much, and thank you also for the host province, the Misamis Occidental, under Governor Henry S. Waminang. So, tapos na ang Regional Paralympics, and this month we have to start now the planning for the National Paralympics. We are the host for the National Paralympics, which will be conducted also in Oroqueta City. So, we have the governor already appointed Colonel Tumanda as the focal person for this event, the new PDRRMO of Misamis Occidental, no other than my classmate. So, taga Cagayan de Oro din. Diba? So, he assured us that they will fully support the event. So, dili siya masyadong tedious sa mga personnel considering na the participants were from different regions. Ang ato, we will maintain only 60. No? 60, at least 60 na team. But pinaka-tedious ito is the preparations. Sa management ay na may taga-national quarters to manage the event. So, hindi masyado. Pero yung preparations and the executions ng other activities as well as yung pagtalaga ng mga protocol officers because we need 28 protocol officers, 18 regional directors plus 10 staff, so nasa 30 plus na protocol officers. Okay, so we just hope and pray na another successful event naman ang makakandak sa atin. So we have trainings na maabutay. That's why we are also in preparations for that, because on November we will be hosting the Mindanao-wide collapse structure search and rescue training, and we intend it to be conducted at Lourdes, so to our camp for the specialized training. So hopefully ay maayos na nato to ang lugar para sa training. And we have so many activities. We have incoming also the Fire Service Recognition Day. So one of the activity on the Fire Service Recognition Day ay para sa atong mga bumbero and retirees. So maybe we can conduct a special activities for them. And also, part of our activity, yun na rin yung Christmas activities, no? So, hopefully ay mai-conduct natin ng maayos kining atong Fire Service Recognition Day. And we intend to have a acoustic competition to all provinces, including one in the region, no? So we will organize acoustic band. So hindi yung full band na, no? Yung acoustic band lang. Para may pampasayo naman during our event. So napatalagang activity. We have also different programs na atong ipatupad. And in fact, kining fires na flagship program ni the 5-point agenda ni Fire Chief ay unti-unti natin po siya nga i-cover para matupad na to ang 5-point agenda ni Fire Chief. And so we have also another seminar with the national headquarters, the deployment of different apps and different na mga ano tawag dito? Electronic apps, as well as in the administrative side and in operation, because we have also an app on the response procedures based on the INSARAG principles. So dagan tay iayos ng region. Kaya we need your full cooperation. We need your maayo nga pagtagat sa atong mga bisita. Okay, so by the way, please have also our or disseminate our informations. We have announced 12 vacancies, but that is not a vacancy for at the region. This is only for reappointment purposes. Kaya kung may magtanong sa inyo, dili ni siya recruitment talaga. That is only for reappointment purposes. Wala tay dawaton ng mga aplikante, kundi yun lang yung i-reappoint, yung na-recall na mga appointments. Okay, so we have 12 lang naman ang nag-decide not to appeal, then the 12 will be the one na may atong asikasuhan, no? Basing na yung magtanong, kasi ako, napoy nagtawag sa ako, kung nailang recommendation, ako wala naman may recruitment. Ang 12 na vacancies is for reappointment purposes. Nagkaintindihan? Okay, so I think yun lang siguro. Ang ano lang ipasalamat. By the way, happy birthday sa mga birthday celebrators. Murag na daw pasalam. And anyway, this evening, we have also our, di ba? Parang salo-salo as a thanksgiving for the success of our Regional Fire Olympics. So for that, thank you very much and good morning.
Thank you for that inspiring message and update, sir.